Welcome to our factory. Today, I'll show you exactly how chocolate bars are made, step by step. Don't forget to subscribe behind-the-scenes videos.
It all begins with carefully selected cocoa beans delivered to the factory. Before production begins, the beans are carefully inspected for quality and consistency.
Next, the beans pass through specialized machines that remove dust, stones, and unwanted particles.
Controlled roasting develops the rich aroma and deep flavor that chocolate is famous for. After roasting, the beans are cracked and separated from their outer shells. What remains are cocoa nibs, the essential ingredient at the heart of chocolate. Now the cocoa mass is combined with precisely measured ingredients to create the chocolate recipe.
Refining reduces the particles to an incredibly fine texture, making the chocolate smooth and creamy. During conching, controlled heat and mixing help develop the chocolate's final flavor and smoothness.
Tempering carefully controls the chocolate's temperature, giving finished bars their smooth texture.
Next, empty molds are prepared to receive the perfectly tempered chocolate.
Precision nozzles fill every mold with exactly the right amount of chocolate. Controlled vibration removes unwanted air bubbles, while cooling slowly sets the chocolate. Once fully set, the chocolate bars are carefully released from their molds.
Every bar is inspected for shape, texture, appearance, and consistency before packaging.
Approved chocolate bars are rapidly wrapped, sealed, and prepared for the market. Finally, thousands of finished bars are packed into boxes and prepared for delivery around the world. And that's how chocolate bars are made, from cocoa beans to perfectly packaged from start to finish.